A phrase you may have seen or heard lately is thematic investing. Thematic funds offer investors exposure to investment themes such as biotechnology and artificial intelligence. So, should you consider investing in one? Well, the first thing you need to realise about thematic funds is that they're considerably more risky than, say, broad market index funds.
What you're talking about are very narrow slices of the market. And the themes can take different forms. The theme could be artificial intelligence, it could be innovation, it could be medical breakthrough, it could be something that has more of a political bent to it. But in each one of these cases, you're taking a slice of the market, that slice representing companies that conform to the theme that you have defined and the attributes that make it up.
You also need to remember that thematic funds tend to be launched after a period of strong performance by that particular theme. So by the time you start investing, the stocks within that fund may already be expensive.
Are they more often in the value column of the style box, the core column, or the growth column of the style box? And what you find is when you look at these thematics, around 3/4 of them are in the growth column of the style box. What does that mean? It means that they're growing, but it also means that they are not inexpensive. These tend to be pricey stocks, explaining why these funds so often are plotted in that growth column of the style box. You're courting quite a bit of price risk, and that's something that investors should be conscious of, notwithstanding their enthusiasm for the theme.
The final thing you need to realise about thematic funds is that they tend to be heavily promoted. Why? Well, investors love a good story, and thematic funds always come with a compelling narrative. So fund providers like them, and so does the financial media.
We've all heard of story stocks. In a sense, these are story funds. It's an easier sell when you can package up a set of securities, slap an ETF name on it and go out to the market and say, you want a piece of this action? You want to get on this train? Here you go. I've got just the thing for you. We know that there are going to be breakthrough innovations in this space. We know that this company, NVIDIA, has a head of steam. You want to be a part of this, right? I mean, it's usually not quite so explicit or salacious, but that is the way the story is told in practice, and we know that pushes buttons.
In short, thematic funds are effectively concentrated bets. Of course, you could be lucky and get in and out at the right time, but the evidence tells us that most thematic investors buy and sell at the wrong time. So exercise caution. Great stories rarely make for great investments.